That's the ingredients for steam fish. Uncle Pogi version. It's a precious fish we Haoxing. Haoxing.
Ano bang tawag dyan? Haoxing.
Haoxing, it's a rice cooking wine. Yan ang ating, we don't have that. In Kimlan, Ponlai soy sauce. We have a lot of soy sauce there, but that brand we don't have. Oh, so on your base, the ginger,
and the onion steam.
Steam for 20 minutes.
Tanggalin ito. Itong ginger.
Chef na chef?
Chef na chef. Saan yung ano mo? Yun.
Smells good.
Okay?
Okay? Oh, wow.